Hello, Prince Edward County. I would like to provide you today with an update on face coverings and masks. Effective Friday, July 10th at noon, the use of face coverings in all enclosed public spaces, including outdoor markets and farm stands when physical distancing is not possible, will become mandatory in Prince Edward County. That means you must wear a face covering such as a medical or non-medical mask or another face covering, including a bandana, scarf, or other fabric when you go into places such as grocery stores, retail stores, restaurants, hair salons, community centers, places of worship, libraries, and Shire Hall. Certain exemptions will apply to ensure that no individual is excluded from day-to-day activities if they are unable to wear a face covering for a medical reason, a disability, or on religious grounds. The decision by County Council supports the direction that Dr. Alexa Cataray, the Acting Medical Officer of Health at Hastings Prince Edward Public Health, gave to commercial establishments earlier this week that people be required to wear a mask or face covering when entering. As Dr. Cataray has noted, wearing a non-medical mask or face covering is an additional preventative measure that, when combined with other infection control efforts, will help further reduce the spread of COVID-19. The number of cases remains low in our region, and I want to see that continues. Given the success we have had flattening the curve, you may wonder why this measure is needed now. As more visitors arrive in the county, and as our economy opens up and we have more contact with those around us, we must all remain vigilant to protect the health and safety of everyone. Evidence has shown that wearing a face covering is an important measure we can all take, along with maintaining physical distance and washing our hands thoroughly and often. I know that this new requirement may take some time getting used to for some of you and for our visitors. However, we must all do our part to stop the spread of COVID-19. At the same time, we realize that not everyone is able to wear a face covering. Please be respectful of people who are unable to wear a face covering due to health or other reasons, and understand that they are not required to provide proof of their exemption. In the coming days, I ask that you be considerate as establishments adopt new policies to protect all of us from COVID-19. Above all else, be respectful to businesses and employees. They are not the ones who approved the mandatory mask requirement. The grocery cashier or store clerk didn't make the rules, so don't get angry with them. Let's respect the fact that they are doing their jobs to help us. Let's help them by wearing a face covering for the brief amount of time we are in their premises. If you have a concern, please direct it my way. My inbox is always open. Once again, thank you for your continued patience and understanding. We are getting through this together. Please have a safe and enjoyable weekend. Thank you.